All right, hello. Well, I just got my humidifier. This is an 8-liter water tank. It's called an ultrasonic humidifier by Carro. Apparently there's no water leaking, top fill design, 50% humidity control, 3-speed mist control, and it also touch and smart control, which is really cool. You can use your phone, I believe, and the touchscreen, you see, there you go. Obviously it doesn't have water. I just got it, I opened it out of the box, but it's really tall. This is how you fill it up, all the way up to here. And then, you know, you got your settings, of course, which I don't know how to use yours yet, but I will eventually. And this is the spinner. I can feel already some air coming out of it, but I'm gonna turn it off. I want to make sure. Oops, I'm not sure. Okay, there we go. Either way, I'm gonna disconnect it, but I just wanted to show you. And I'm gonna use this for my son's bedroom. I think it's really cute. I highly recommend it. This is the box that comes with. Okay, and these are pretty much the things that it says. 1 gallon, I'm sorry, 8-liter large water tank, 1 to 8 hour timer, whisperly quiet. And actually I believe that this spins, I'm not sure, but it's pretty cool. It does not have a control. I was looking for it in the box, but that's fine. But you know what I really like about this thing is that it's really easy to clean as well, because you don't even have to buy any filters like the others. When you open it, I'm not sure what that is for, but I don't know how to open it. I'm trying to do it with one hand. Actually, you just twist this, get it out. It comes with some plastic inside over there, I see. So, you know, yeah, I gotta clean it out probably, and, you know, put the clean water. And but I like it, you know. I like that it's practical and that it's a touch and smart control. So actually, I believe you download the app. You see Carro Home app. So then you just kind of hit the buttons and set it up where you can, you know, activate it from your phone. So I highly recommend it. I like it. And there's also in white.
So here's my humidifier all set up. I have mine in the corner of my bedroom. This one is 2.1 gallons. So it holds a lot of water, probably enough to last like 2 or 3 days. I'll turn it on to show you. It has a modern look. I like the look of it. And it also can work off of your phone. You download the app and you can control it with that too. Or you can just press the buttons if you don't want to do that.